Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. So it is Wednesday, the 5th of February, all day. It is 10 past 1 Central European. So where are we at? Yeah, I mean, we had this gorgeous reversal candle, and now we're just trying to push on these levels. This one I quite like the look of because we at least took out these lows. So people who maybe got in, you might have thought, oh, maybe I've got some protection here. I'll just go a bit lower, and they might have been taken out there. If we actually zoom in on it, we can see that, there's just wick below. And now we're trying to push up. But the only thing I don't like is the monthly is rolled over. And we are bearish trajectory on this. So unless we really get some good push back up to the three and hold it, yeah, not looking amazing. So anyway, let's have a look where we are. Monthly, we are a buy. We're still a buy. Whip trend currently, if we were to close now, it would be a sell. But we're not confirmed that we've got we've got a short month, I suppose, but we've got like 20, 23 days of this month left. And we can do a reversal. This is a beautiful candle to potentially reverse from. But we'll have to see where we close as the weeks go by. So yeah, we're still bullish up here on the monthly, although we have this divergence, which is quite bearish, but we're still quite far away from the zero line, so we could have another push. Um, Yeah, I was just going to say it would be nice to at least break the 5 trillion market cap in crypto over the coming months, but we'll see what happens there. Weekly, we are a sell. So this is, I think, what we were hoping would happen at one stage when we just started pulling around here. But we haven't. We're straightened down. We went into this beautiful sell-off. Well, let's not call it beautiful, painful. Yeah, so at the moment we're still trending bearish. We're bullish because we were above the zero, but we're trending pullback at the moment, and that's we can't do anything else until we start changing that. We've not got enough trajectory here on the daily neither to try and pull this around. So it would be, it could potentially be a good few weeks before we see anything, and we need to see something in the next few weeks to pull the monthly up. So, still, technically bearish on the weekly, monthly, and three monthly on relative price. We're bearish on the whip trend. So this is where we are at the moment. We're just in this current retracement, let's say, or the start of a collapse. Looking over here at the 1 day, 2 day, and 3 day, we are bearish on everything at the moment. On the 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, we are still in the bear. In the bear, are we really? So yeah, it's a tough one. It's a tough one to call at the moment, apart from kind of sitting on your hands and waiting to see what happens on the lower time frames. We're trying to find some kind of support here. With this, I mean, there's definitely going to be more orders in there, but they've probably been snapped up. Um, well, we're going to go on down the length of that. I mean, anyone who wants to enter, this is what you also have to remember. Anyone who wants to enter the market here, if they're going to put the stop somewhere sensibly, it's all the way down here. You know what I mean? If this was like Bitcoin, for example, this wick is so scary to enter on because, if you're going to enter here, that's quite a large percent drop. Let's just actually do that out of interest. Say even here, say if this was Bitcoin, it's a 12%, it's a 12% drop. So even if you're going to risk like $1,000 on a trade and put your stop below here, and that'd be you losing $1,000 or $10,000. So what you get, just back to the top, it's another 10,000. Um, and the risk, it makes the risk difficult. Let's do that again. So yeah, down here, where are we? Yeah, okay. So that's 11.2%. So if we go 11.2% up, yeah, I mean that's a one-to-one. That's a one-to-one risk to reward ratio, and that's it could potentially be a trade, but it's just one-to-one, and we don't want that. You want higher. So even at the highest point there, um, it's 16, so it's only it's not a great deal. It's not even probably worth yeah, it's a difficult one to call. Why would you want to trade it for a one-to-one? Um, mm, yeah, so this could be something that holds in our favor for the crypto market. So 1 day, 2 day, 3 day whip trend, we're a sell. 1 day, 2 day, 3 day relative price, we're a sell. So we are waiting. We are waiting. Now let's have a quick look at, let's move that over. If we have a look at the 1 hour and 4 hour are just flipping bullish there. We're looking good here, but we've still got these levels of the 14 moving averages to get through. Um, Still lots, excuse me, still lots of work to do there. The only thing I do like about this at the moment on the lower time frames is the 4 hour, 8 hour, and daily are close to like turning into a trending system. The daily and 8 hours still have work to do to like get above these levels, but this is something we'll just keep an eye on. Down to the lower time frames, let's have a look. Wrong one. Oh, there we go. No, there we go. Yeah. So looking at these, duck, duck, duck. Hmm. Looking good. 15 minute, 30 minute, we're looking good. The 5 minute looks like it's running out of steam, but the 4 hour, as we said, and the 1 hour as well. So looking quite good on the lower time frames. We're just going to hit this 200 MA EMA on the 15 minute chart, so we could see some reaction there. But it's starting to look good. 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour, trying to push. Quite an interesting one. So I think lower time frames we can be looking to buy, but we still need to be nervous with the daily. Let's double click that and then pull this down. We still need to be careful with the daily because 1 day, 2 day, 3 day are bearish at the moment. So we'll see. That 4 hour, that 200 moving average will be the 4 hour 14s. So yeah, we just need to be very careful. Let's do a horizontal line. Oh, no, 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 no. I don't know what I did then. Yeah, okay, we're back. So let's do an option and a horizontal line there. Okay, so we've put that in, and let's go and have a look at that one again. There. It's just a bit above actually. So that's where the 14s are there. Okay. Yeah. Anyway, guys, I'll release. I'll release this one now, and let's move on to the blue chips in the next one. Stay safe, keep safe. See you in the blue chips.